Hello everyone, today we are checking out the Flatsons KE1 multi-effects guitar pedal. This was sent to me for review, but as always, all opinions are my own. Let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing. First, inside the box is the user's manual. Next is the USB-C cable. This is for charging and for your PC recording. This is the 1/8 cable for phone recording. And here's the pedal itself with 4 foot switches, and they all come with the LED lights around them that you can color customize using the app. In the middle is the screen that displays your bank number. The main volume knob. This is the out port for your amp or interface. And this is the phone recording port with the 1/8 jack. Right next to it is the 3.5mm headphone monitoring port. Next is the USB-C port for PC connection. Here's the power switch, and here's the main in port for your guitar. At the bottom, it features a rubberized anti-slip pad. Let's go ahead and turn it on for the first time. This device came with a built-in battery, so you don't need to plug it in to turn it on. So when you first turn on the device, all the LED rings will light up. So every time you press one switch, it will stay activated and LED stays on. So for the test, I connected the KE1 to my PC using the USB-C cable, and I also connected my phone through the Flatsons app, and you can install their app using the provided QR code from their manual. I plug in my headphones so I could monitor my guitar while playing, and I'm using OBS Studio to record myself and the guitar signal at the same time. Now let's hear how it sounds. Overall, this pedal makes recording super easy. With just one USB-C cable, it sends clean audio straight to your PC, and there's no drivers, there's no complicated setup, just plug it and play. If you record with backing tracks or practice a lot but don't want to disturb anyone, this is a perfect solution. I live in an apartment, so this is perfect for me. It's compact, saves space, and fits easily into my setup even if I don't have that much room. That's it for this video. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.